Hi students, today we are going to see about wireless local area network. So that is said to be WLAN. So it is mainly used for radio communication to provide mobility to the network users while maintaining the connectivity to the wired network. Let us see about this briefly. So in this topic today we are going to see about the introduction, advantages, disadvantages and types of wireless LAN and practical uses of uh, wireless LAN. So introduction and history. So what is WLAN? That is said to be your wireless local area network. Sometimes it is also called as local area wireless network, that is LAWN. So here the Norman professor at the University of Hawaii developed the world's first wireless computer communication network, that is said to be your ALAHANet. So here the wireless computer network that links two or more devices within the limited areas such as house, home, schools and computer laboratories. So here it is marked under Wi-Fi brand name. So the wireless LAN is more popular in home due to the ease of installation and use. So here, wireless LAN are built by attaching devices called access point to the edge of the wired network, where the client communicate with the help of access point using a wireless network adapter, which is similar in function to the Ethernet adapter. And the performance of the wireless LAN is high compared to other wireless network, and the coverage of wireless LAN within the campus or the building it is vast, and it is used in mobile propagation of wired net. So the IEEE standard is 802.1.1. It offers services to the desktop, laptop, mobile application and all other devices that work on the internet. Next, let us see about the installation flexibility. The main advantages of wireless LAN is that it is very easy to install and flexible, and it is cheap in cost, and it can be used anywhere, mobility. Next is installation speed and simplicity. So there is no cable to pull and few transmitter and receivers for multiple for users, and reduced cost of ownership is something that mobile devices are less expensive than computer workstation, and there is no need to build wiring closets. And next thing is your mobility. So here the access to the real-time information, and it also provides services opportunity and promotes flexibility, and also it supports productivity. So next we are going to see about what are the disadvantages of LAN. So before discussing about the disadvantages, I'll give some more inputs about wireless LAN. Is an affordable method, and it can set up in 24 hours, and it gives the user the mobility to move around within a local coverage area, and it's still connected to the network. So the architecture of wireless LAN is something that it has a station and a base service set and extender service set and distribution services. So in station it consists of all equipments that is used to connect the wireless LAN, and each station has a wireless network controller. Next is your base service set. This is something that it is a group of station communicate at the physical layer. Next is your extended service set. It is a group of connected base service set. Next is your distributed service. It connects all the extended service set. Next, the main disadvantages of wireless LAN is something that cost. So the wireless network cards cost 4 times more than the wired network cards. The access points are more expensive than hubs and wires, and the environmental conditions susceptible to weather and solar activity, and constrained by buildings, trees and terrain, and less capacity, that is slower bandwidth. These are the types of wireless LAN. That is, one is your infrastructure, next one is your peer-to-peer, next one is your bridge type, and last one is your wireless distribution system. So the infrastructure, that is, most Wi-Fi networks are deployed in infrastructure mode. So in this base station access a wireless access point hub and nodes and communicate through the hub. The hub is usually but not always has a wired or fiber network connection, and we have a permanent wired connection to other nodes. Wireless access points are usually fixed and provide services to their client nodes within the range, and wireless clients such as laptops, smartphones connect to the access point to join the network. As we join in Wi-Fi. Next is your peer-to-peer. Here the two PCs are connected with the help of wireless adapter and can be set up as an independent network. This is something similar to your modem. Next is your bridge. Bridges can be used to connect networks typically of different types. So here wireless Ethernet bridge allows the connection of the device on a wireless Ethernet network to a wireless network. The bridge acts as a connection point in a wireless LAN. So next is that wireless distribution system. So this diagram represents the example of different types of wireless distribution system. So in wireless distribution system enables wired interconnection of access point with the help of IEEE 802.11 network. So the practical use of wireless LAN is it is used in corporate, education, finance and healthcare. So in corporate, mobile networking is for emailing, file sharing and web browsing. Hope we are all using it nowadays. And education is connectivity to the university, to the college for collaborative class activities and ability to access all research sources. Next, finance is something that traders can receive up to send us pricing information, electronic payments, and healthcare is something that emergency medical information readily available and access to schedule information. Thank you. If you have any doubt related to this topic, feel free to contact me. Thank you, students. Bye.